Hello, this video is about the spelling. When you hear a new word and you don't know how to write it, you ask for the spelling, meaning you ask for the exact letters that compose that word. Let's see this example. Hi, my name is Jim. Hi, my name is Jim. Hey, my name is William. Hey, my name is William. How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? William. W-I-L-L-I-A-M. William. Nice to meet you, William. Nice to meet you, William. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Review. How do you spell book? Book. How do you spell book? Book. B-O-O-K. B-O-O-K. How do you spell umbrella? Umbrella. How do you spell umbrella? Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. How do you spell school? How do you spell school? School. S-C-H-O-O-L. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. And you, how do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? Thanks for watching and see you next time.